Do you desperately need more energy in your life? Then stop doing these 5 things: extended screen time, eating sugar, being a hermit or couch potato, saying yes to everything and overstretching yourself, going to bed late. Living a healthier and happier lifestyle starts with your energy. If you don't have energy, you have nothing. You can't sleep, you can't focus, you feel sluggish and unmotivated, you look older and you feel older. Not good. You can learn to tap into unlimited amounts of energy and win on every level of your life. You can experience better sleep, improved mood, enhanced libido, youthful glowing skin, better focus, optimized health, lose weight, and slow down the aging process. This is your personal invitation to experience an exciting women's only summer retreat. This 2.5-hour retreat is educational and transformational. We will cover 4 main areas: brain, body, breath, and being. Discover proven techniques, learn helpful methods, and position yourself to step into abundant energy levels easily and naturally. This summer, join us as we biohack the energy code and leave you feeling refreshed, recharged, re-energized, and ready to take on the world. Don't wait. Save your spot today. Save 30% with coupon code ENERGY30.